Now we're going to be talking about the associative arrays, and associative arrays are this kind of arrays that their labels, their elements are represented by labels. Now when you want to call such kind of arrays, you call them using their labels, not the position that they are in the array. Okay, so we're going to quickly look at how such arrays looks like. So put a break tag here, and then continue with our code right here. So I'm going to call an array 3 and we'll create an array for it. Now this kind of array looks like this. So let's say for instance we have first name. Now this is the label. Okay, now to write what the label is representing, or the element that you labeling, then the symbol that represents that is the equal to and the greater than symbol. Okay, so you write it like that, and let's say the first name is Thomas, and the last name is occasion. Okay, so this is an example of an associative array. So now when you want to echo the first name of the array, you're going to echo the label of the array, okay, not the position, as in a previous video where echoing according to the position 1, position 2, position 3, like that. But in this case you echo according to the label of the element in the array. So here we are on array number 3, and array 3 we are echoing first name, put our delimiter there, and let's see how this is going to be outputted in our browser. Okay, so refresh that and you see that the first name becomes what? Thomas. So in this case you don't output you don't echo your array using the position number. Okay, you echo it using the name of the label. Okay, the label representing that particular element. Do you get what I'm saying? Now I'm going to concatenate the first name and the last name together using the concatenation method we learned a couple of videos back. So I'm going to concatenate using the period sign. Concatenate with a space, and then I'll concatenate with the last name of the array 3. Array 3 last name. We'll forget our quotes, and one quote should be here, and our delimiter should go in there. So now I believe you know what this is going to give us. Let's quickly check in our browser and see the concatenation worked. Okay, so you can also concatenate in arrays using this particular concatenation method. Okay, so now there's one last thing I would like to show us now to display an array the exact way that it's been written using the print r method. So let's quickly look at that. I'm gonna put a break tag here. I'm opening another PHP tag. Now we're going to echo array 1 using the print r function like this, and we're going to print r array 1. Put our delimiter there, and let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, sorry about that. It is supposed to go into a bracket. like this. Okay, so that's my mistake, and you discover that our array is being imputed, giving you the position, the element, and the position number. Okay, so 2 is in position 0, 4 is in position 1, 2 is in position 6 is in position 2, and like that. Now you can decide to display it using your pre-tags in HTML. You have the pre-tag. Now it removes all formatting from a particular element surrounding it. Okay, so that pre-tag close, and we'll do a Control S on that one, and let's refresh and see how it looks like. So bam, you see our array in that format. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is array functions. I'll urge you to look at this video, watch it over and over again to understand the concept of arrays and how it works in our program, why programming. So the next video we're going to be talking about array functions, and I'll see you there.